and with a servo motor I'm gonna be able to tilt it any direction I want, and another servo motor to tilt it up and down. Okay. Ready? Aha! So my system is almost ready. 2 more servo and we are ready to go out and play wireless paintball. Hello, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage, and what we got here today, this is our camera car that you can get in shop. We actually making this entire shock absorbent system here in the shop. It's all CNC plate top and bottom with kind of 4 riser that making the entire platform higher, that it's easier to work. And you can get this in store. The one that you buy on eBay, Amazon, or AliExpress, or other company that sell them, they're very low. They're gonna be about that high. Our platform start actually about 4 to 6 inches above the vehicle, so you have a better height for your camera. Now those cars are kind of set to order. But this is not what I want to talk to you today. Those are available at our shop. They're about like $2,000, including battery chargers, and I will spend some time with you to explain how they work. Why I'm showing this today is because we're going to do something different. In the next couple of videos, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the camera from here, and I'm going to go for a process to do something really cool. Consider that you have a big 1/5 scale vehicle running with a big paintball gun on it, and it's gonna be a paintball gun that I'm gonna find a way to actually make it maneuver left, right, up, down, whatever direction we want it to do with a sight. So this is what we're gonna do in the next couple video. I know some guy did it with like a small AR-15 BB gun, but it's not how we're gonna do that. He just put a couple zip ties to the vehicle with a small trigger to press the trigger and shoot. What I'm going to do is actually a paintball gun that's gonna be able to move to any direction you want. So please like, follow, and subscribe to the channel so you can see that this is gonna be one of our prime video. And we're gonna make it on this platform just to show how stable this thing is. Again, this is Eric at MotoStyles Hobby Shop, RC Monster Garage YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, and share the video so all your other friends can see that this is going to be the coolest video ever. See you in the next video.